Thutha wa kiriro kia hakuhi miaka iri kuma riria Samantha Pendo kana karia ka mieri 6 gakuire thutha wa kurathwo ni borithi hindi ya ngahia cia thutha wa githurano kinene kia mweri wa kanana mwaka wa 2017. Riu maabithaa 6 anene ya borithi nimendekithitio mathitangirwo magikuruhanio na gikuu kiu. Kuringana na mucirithania Berly Omolo, Pendo oragirwo ni rithathi ya borithi na uguo maabithaa aya mari na cira wa gucokia kumana na mirutire ya wira ya maabithaa aria mari rungu rwao.
The respective commanders failed to take the necessary and reasonable measures to prevent the criminal acts of killing of the deceased baby. The superiors should incur liability for the subordinates' unlawful conduct by failing to take any action to redress the situation. The concept of command responsibility is a form of indirect responsibility and is based on the commander's failure to act.
Akiaria hindi ya gutirwo kwa uthuthuria wa mwanya iguru rigie gikuũ kia mwana uyu, Omolo ni oritie wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingĩ Haji yambike uthuthuria mweru ari na muoroto wa kuhingurira 6 ya thitango cia uragani. Hamwe na aria mendekithitio mahinguriro thitango ni Chief Inspector John Keringi, Inspector Lina Kogei, County Commander Titus Yoma na maabithaa Benjamin Koima na Christopher Maweu.
It is clear that a crime of murder was committed. I hold that baby Samantha Pendo was murdered by police officers who hit her, as a result of which she sustained severe head injuries leading to her death.
Omolo ni endekithitie Chief Inspector Chengo Masha wa GSU na maabithaa 30 aria mari wira rungu rwake utuku uria Pendo arathirwo mathuthurio na kinyia muthuthuria wao wonanitie maabithaa acio ni mahuthirire hinya gukiria njano. Pendo ni umwe wa andu aria makuire na njira ya kuhurwo rithathi kurumirira kwanirwo kwa maumirira ma president ndi ya githurano kinene kia mweri wa kanana mwaka wa 2017. O kahinda-ini kau uria wari munene wa borithi wa ceceni ya Ruaraka na Hashon Mutua ni atuirirwo kinyongo thutha wa kunyitikana na mahitia ma kuraga mwikuirwo umwe uria wahingiritwo ceceni-ini yo mwaka-ini wa 2013.
After considering the painful death the deceased was subjected to and the inhumane treatment he received even after he was fatally wounded, it is my considered view that the befitting sentence in this case is death.
Mutua anyitikanire na mahitia ma kuraga Martin Kome uria wahingiritwo ceceni-ini yo kumana na ngucanio cia kimucii uria wacokire gukorwo na nguraro cia ndodio na thutha ucio agikua akirigitirwo thibitari-ini nene ya Kenyatta. Hau kabere mwikuirwo ungi Kevin Odhiambo ni athitangitwo na gikuũ giki no akirekererio thutha wa kumenyekana ni kuigirirwo aigirirwo.